Now today let's start with chapter number 20, our goal, rights and duties. So after 100 years of slavery under British rule, India became free on 15th August 1947. So after attaining independence, the need of the constitution was felt and the frame of the constitution, a constitution assembly was constituted. So under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, our constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. To mark this occasion, we celebrate 26 January every year as a Republic Day. Then we have Constitution. Constitution defines goals, rights, duties of the people. As citizen of India, we must respect our Constitution. Our Constitution is written document. At the beginning of it there is a preamble. It is the introduction. जैसा आपके मतलब होता है ना बुक्स में प्रीफेस होता है, ऐसे आपका preamble क्या है? Introduction है. India is sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic country. So if we talk about socialist, it means equal right of all the people of our country. There should be no difference between rich and poor. Equal opportunities. हर एक citizen को, Indian citizen को equal opportunity देनी चाहिए. All citizens are equal in the eye of law. Then we have secularism. It means all religions are equal. That everyone is free from follow its own religion. No discrimination will be done on the basis of religion. Democracy. India is the democratic country. People elect their own representatives to form a government. Every citizen of India who is 18 years and above has right to vote to choose the representative to form the government. There are three main pillars of the Republic India. Democracy is for the people, by the people and of the people. और India क्या है आपकी largest democratic country है. So our constitution not plays down the power of the government but also define rights and duties. So let's study about the fundamental rights. We have 6 fundamental rights. Right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right against exploitation, culture and educational right, and right to constitutional remedies. Then we have fundamental duties. To enjoy our rights, we must perform our duty. So fundamental duties of Indian citizen laid down in our constitution. Like, we should follow the rules laid down in the constitution and respect national flag and national anthem. We should help to keep our country united. We should defend the country at time of danger. We should take care of our natural environment. We should promote spirit, harmony and common brotherhood. We should avoid violence and protect public property. We should value and preserve our rich heritage of our culture. Now, directive principle. Directive principle are certain direction laid down by the constitution for the government. Directive principles guide the government to function better towards the welfare. Some of the directive principles are: the government should provide work for all men and women. It's our duty for the government to provide better living condition. Children up to 14 years of age should be free at compulsory education. All those people should be provided with equal wage. Equal काम के लिए सबको equal पैसे मिलने चाहिए. There should be no discrimination between male and female. The government should work towards improving the condition of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other weaker section. The government should protect historical monuments and building architecture. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of Free India और पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर. और जो सबसे लेंथीएस्ट रिटन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो हमारी कंट्री इंडिया का. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.